Over the past few years, the world has been undergoing a transformation of the financial system. The usual course of things in the global economy is changing under the pressure of epidemics, wars, and political conflicts. More than 90% of the developing country currencies have significantly lost value relative to the US dollar. Inflation in the US is at its peak since the Great Depression. Stocks and other exchange-traded assets have experienced a threefold decline in key indices and lost capital. The value of the most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has fallen 3 times from its all-time high. Is it possible to earn and multiply capital in such situation? With Maxpread Technologies' arbitrage platform, we answer yes to the question that worries most ordinary internet users. Cryptocurrency arbitrage is a new direction of digital asset trading, where you earn from the difference in token exchange rates on different platforms. The arbitrage platform of Maxpread Technologies, based on artificial intelligence, allows tens of thousands of trades per day and provides investors with a stable passive income of 0.6 to 1.2% of the selected arbitrage package, excluding all the risks associated with this line of business. Besides, every user automatically becomes a member of the Maxpread Technologies affiliate program and gets the right to be rewarded for popularization of the arbitration platform. There are 7 types of bonuses in the affiliate program. Maxpread Technologies combines a unique and innovative product based on artificial intelligence, an arbitrage platform, and the most effective way to promote this product: multi-level marketing, recognized by leading experts in sales, finance, and investing. In today's realities, this synergy turns a partnership with Maxpread Technologies into a versatile, highly profitable, and efficient risk-proof business.